Question number 6, it says to solve on the whiteboard, show your work, and of course, check your answer. It says, what is the product of 7/10 and 3 2/3? All right, so I am going to find the product, which means I need to multiply. So let me set up my problem. 7/10 times 3 2/3. All right away, when I was writing that, I knew that I cannot multiply and divide fractions by mixed numbers, whole numbers. I have to make them into improper fractions. So let's do that with 3 2/3. 3 times 3 is 9. And then I'm going to add the 2 to my 9. That gives me 11 over 3. Okay, so let's rewrite my problem now with that improper fraction. I'm going to have 7/10 times 11 over 3. Okay. I'm just kind of cross-checking. I can't simplify. So let me go ahead and multiply my numerators. 7 times 7 equals 77. And 10 times 3 for my denominators equals 30. Okay, so now I've got 77 over 30, which is an improper fraction. Elephant on the ball. It's not going to work. So we need to see, all right, how many times can I put 30 into 77? Well, 32 times is 60. 33 times is 90. That's too much. So it's going to be 2 whole times, which is going to give me 60, right? 2 times 30 is 60. So let me subtract 60 from 77. And if you can't do this in your head, go ahead and write it out. Write it out on your paper. 77, take away 60. 7 minus 0 is 7. 7 minus 6 is 1. I've got 17. Okay, so I'm going to go back here and get my new numerator is 17. My denominator stays 30. And that is in simplest form. So my answer, my product is 2 and 17 over 30. If you did not get that, do you see where you made a miscalculation or an improper step and where you can fix that? Make sure you change that on your whiteboard.